Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with this amazing mouthwash that will help you to lighten up those brown teeth, help you to clear out those bad mouth odor, and also help in getting rid of bacteria. So if you want to learn how I come up with this amazing mouthwash, keep watching. The first ingredient we're going to be needing is ginger. I'll be using a thumb size of ginger for this recipe. You can choose to peel out the skin of the ginger, but I'm not peeling out anything. I just wash the ginger very well and I will be grating it, as you can see what I'm doing. Ginger helps to fight against bacteria in the mouth. It also prevents the formation of bacteria. It contains ginger raw, which helps to battle infection and by killing off bacteria in your mouth and also reducing swelling and inflammation in your mouth. So I will be using the ginger juice for this recipe. Okay, you don't need the fiber of the ginger. So after grating, we're gonna be sieving out the juice of the ginger. So after sieving, here we have the juice. We have approximately 2 tablespoons of ginger juice over here. So keep that aside and we'll be incorporating the next ingredient. And next ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is an inexpensive, ready available teeth cleanser that you can see in your kitchen. It helps to lighten up your teeth and also removing build up plaque on the surface of your teeth. It can also help to cleanse bad smell from your tongue. So baking soda is very good. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda and you want to mix that very well. So next we'll be adding a toothpaste. I'll be using Colgate for this recipe. But you can choose to use any of your toothpaste, any of your paste that you are using at home, any one that you love using. You can use it, doesn't matter. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of this Colgate to this recipe and we'll be mixing it together. Okay, you want to mix everything, you allow it to blend very well. So after mixing, this is how our mouthwash is going to be looking like after mixing. So I'll be storing this in my little containers that are sterilized and I will be using this to store it in the refrigerator. Okay, don't freeze it, you just put it in your refrigerator, just leave it there. Okay, I'll be leaving it for up to 1 week. At least this one will serve for up to 1 week. What you have to do is to use this to wash your mouth once in a day. Okay, don't use it twice in a day. You can choose to use it in the evening or you can choose to use it in the morning, but choose to use it once a day. Don't misuse it. Okay, use it in the morning and use your normal toothpaste in the evening, or you use your normal toothpaste in the morning and then you use this one in the evening. So either one works perfectly well. So I'll take it to the other side and I will show you how I normally use it. So this is me over here, and what you have to do is to take your brush and yes, you dip it in. Okay, you'll be dipping it in. You take a little goes a long way. Okay, don't have to pack everything, and then you use it to brush your teeth very well, like for 3 minutes. Also, anyhow you know how to wash your teeth, just brush your teeth very well with it and then you see what will happen next. Thank you very much for watching this awesome video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and also share to your loved ones. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you. Bye.